Nice to meet you again.
I'm so happy to have you here with the viewer today and talking about Puriton. Please tell us a little bit about Puriton.
Puriton is the new material was invented by Kardashian Corporation for the first time in the world. It was researched and developed over 20 years, and originally that's coming from the all different kind of mineral. The European countries, they use the medicines extracted from the all different kind of minerals, and they use that for a long time, over 500 years. And recently, we tried to extract the bad things out coming from the minerals and try to extract the good ones only, and to make the new material which can be observed to the human bodies as well. So Puriton is a 100% natural one and newly developed by Kaddish, and there's nothing like that in the world right now.
You're saying that the Puriton has had 3 different products, and then today you're going to talk about one of the products, which is the eye drop. Yes.
As of now, in the second half of last year, we introduced 3 different products under the name of Puriton.
Right.
One important thing you should understand is every product has the name of Puriton, like a Puriton eye drop, Puriton facial treatment, Puriton skin treatment.
Right.
Because basically we use the Puriton material as the foundation.
Yes.
So about like 75 to 80% of the product include the Puriton.
Yes.
And as well as the Puriton product, and we also use the very distinguished mineral stuffs, which is good for the eye, good for the face, good for the skin. So especially today, we try to explain about the Puriton eye drop.
Right. Thank you so much, Doctor. Dr. Cruz, today you want to talk about the eye drop. In my hands right now, we have the eye relief drop. So what is the use for it, and why should we use the eye drop from Puriton?
Most of the eye drop can cure the general symptoms, including glittiness, stinging, burning, redness, dryness, water discharge. So those are the basic symptoms we can cure with the general eye drop.
Right.
But our product also cure the major eye disease, including the cataract, glaucoma, or like flittering stuff. So those are the very severe symptoms for the eyes, and a lot of people try to get the surgery, but our product is 100% natural.
Right.
And so some people ask us like this, there are so many different symptoms and disease. How come you can cure with only one pure like a product? And this is a natural product, and this one can reinforce the self-immune system and natural healing system. So as soon as we put the eye drop, Puriton eye drop, the eye organ is getting younger and healthier, so that you can cure the major disease without any surgery.
Thank you so much, Doctor. So those are the main things that the eye drop from Puriton that's used to cure, right? So tell us more about that too.
Actually, we have tried the various different kind of things. The first thing is, what is different with this Puriton product with other generic product? Because this one, since we extracted the major things coming from the all different kind of minerals, so this is the only material that generate the anion a lot. Like we measured that over negative 275 millivolt.
Right.
So it generates a lot of anion, and once it's absorbed into the body, we can reinforce our immune system and healing system by ourselves. So that's the first key things for this product. Second thing is, it generates the strong far infrared radiation. So far infrared radiation to the body means it absorbs the effectiveness and cureness to the deep inside of the body. How fast? It's like it has a half mile per second. the speed of the infrared radiation is of half mile per second.
Right. Thank you, doctor. Coming back to you, Dr. Cruz. So these are the main things that the eye drop that we introduce it to the viewer today. So far, that I see that you have on the table 2 container. What about this? Could you talk a little bit about this?
Actually, we have experiment for the oxidation because, you know, the people get old, the cell or skin is getting aging,
right?
But because of the oxidation.
Dr. Cruz, we have Miss Chung Wen. She calling in and she said that she just went to see the eye doctor and they diagnosed her with the cataract. And they said that they're going to do the surgery on that. But she asking that if she using the eye drop, is this going to help her prevent the surgery and heal her eyes?
Okay, last week when we have a first show, I brought the patient who experienced the same kind of condition because she was scheduled to make a surgery for the cataract.
Just last week?
Yeah, and actually she used the Puriton eye drop for about 2 months. And one key thing is she followed the guidelines and consulting from our company because we asked her to use as much as she can. And first time she feels the pain, but the pain is getting relieved and getting reduced. And as soon as she feel the comfortness, and once she go back to the hospital, whether she's gonna get the surgery or not, and the doctor said you don't have to because it's in 2 months, everything is getting better, so you can cure the cataract without any surgery. So we got several cases who postpone or prevent the surgery from the cataract. So try this, the natural product. You don't have to worry about any kind of side effect.
Right.
So just try as much as you want, and then you can see the change and difference from the eye drops. I just added up the last word for this experiment because we checked out the oxidation with the batteries which purchased outside, and these are 1 month old, and you cannot even see what's inside because it's with the purified water, and this is with the Puriton water. So that means Puriton water prevent the oxidation, and that's the aging. So this product, our product, is totally prevent the aging, so we can say like a reverse aging. And one last thing, because we passed a lot of time so far, so one last thing I wanted to say, since the people, even though they got a pretty healthy eye, sometimes they feel tired or sometimes they feel redness and they scrub a lot with the hands. Because of the infection from the bacteria. They can make the even severe disease. But with the Puriton water, we tested the 5 major bacteria. The 5 major bacteria cause various different kind of disease. And once we use the Puriton water, every bacteria be killed within a day so, and it never been reoccurred like within 7 days. But one thing is, we killed Puriton killed every bacteria, bad bacteria, but we also tried the good bacteria, which is lactobacillus, and that good bacteria even preserved and even raised, increased within a day. So this is very smart, like eradicate all the bad bacteria and preserve the good bacteria, so you don't have to worry about second infection from the bacteria.
Again, thank you so much, doctor.
Thank you.
Thank you.